7 surprising uses for honey. 1. Cure and heal wounds. Have you ever had a wound or a burn that you wanted to heal naturally and effectively? Applying honey to wounds kills bacteria and microbes because honey contains anti-inflammatory properties that stimulate the immune system. In addition, honey fights irritation, relieves pain, and fastens the healing process. All that is required of you is to allow the honey to dry on the wound and continue repeating this process until the wound heals. 2. Masks for the skin. Honey is a great natural ingredient for maintaining your skin's natural moisture. Unlike oils, it prevents your skin from drying out without adding a greasy texture, making it the perfect choice for a mask for all skin types: dry, combination, and oily. Acne-prone skin can also benefit from honey due to its antibacterial properties. You should apply a thin layer of honey all over your face and leave it on for 30 minutes. After, simply rinse your skin with warm water and dry afterwards. 3. A natural shampoo. If you're looking for a completely natural shampoo to wash your hair, try a tablespoon of honey diluted in 200 milliliters of water. This 100% natural shampoo helps regulate oil production, fight dandruff, keep your hair hydrated, and adds shine and softness. If you prefer to use your regular shampoo, you could also use this treatment as a conditioner or hair mask. 4. As a base for cough syrups. Honey is the best natural remedy for coughs. You can easily prepare a homemade cough syrup using this healthy ingredient, which is a much better alternative to using sugar. Additionally, you can add lemon or orange peel, ginger, cinnamon, and thyme to your cough syrup. 5. It regulates the intestines. Honey is a great remedy for the intestines, and it acts as a mild laxative to facilitate bowel movements while also fighting intestinal parasites. To enhance its effects, every morning before breakfast, pour a cup of hot water and add a tablespoon of honey and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. 6. It improves digestion. Honey is a medicinal remedy for many digestive problems like heartburn or stomach ulcers. It regulates the secretion of gastric juices, while its anti-inflammatory effects help heal and replace digestive mucous membranes. You can consume it before your meals by adding it to a little mashed potato for a taste of sweetness. This is a great remedy for ulcers and excess acid production. Also, it can be used to prevent and treat progressive liver and gallbladder issues. Overall, it's an excellent food to improve your digestion process. 7. It helps you sleep better. Are you struggling with nervousness or insomnia? Honey is the solution. Aside from being rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, it contains sugars that naturally increase insulin levels and produce serotonin. This hormone is closely related to your moods and provides you with feelings of relaxation. Every night you can add a teaspoon of honey to a cup of tea or a glass of oat milk. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.